Now, how about vitamin E? So, meron tayong papakitang research. No? It's from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. So, anong sabi ng study? Vitamin E and vitamin C supplement use and risk of all-cause and coronary heart disease mortality in older persons. So, pag sinabing all-cause, hindi lang heart disease yun. It could be diabetes, it could be cancer. Yung mortality kasi has something to do with death. Yung cause ng pagkamatay. So, all-cause mortality. The established population for epidemiology studies of the elderly. So, anong sabi ng study? Ito yung conclusion. The results of our analysis are consistent with the hypothesis that the use of antioxidant supplements, vitamin E along with vitamin C, may reduce the risk of all-cause and coronary heart disease mortality. So, nagpapahaba siya ng buhay. Kasi nire-reduce niya yung cause ng mortality, yung pagkamatay. So, nakikita niyo po, nasa natural yung haba ng buhay wala sa synthetic mix. Diba?